How's everybody doing? And thanks for tuning in to Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency safety strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, buses, bicycles, tricycles, SUVs, boats, trailers, trucks, anything you want. So we've got our Razor tucked nicely in that beautiful grille. Right next to that, we have our auto flasher kit on the DRL circuit of the headlights. And now for the good show. I was asked very sternly to make the rear of this truck as bold and noticeable as possible. So what you're looking at is the example here of our auto flasher kit with no cut install on the back of a 2021 Ranger. That's the reverse and the signal. So what you're looking at right here is an En-ROADS 48-inch sound off signal light bar. What you're looking at is some chasing addressable LEDs. What are you looking at right here? Well, it is a 2019 F350 single cab 8-foot bed dually. It's a big boy. We put 2 rock lights in every wheel. By the way, look at that rear end, right? Man, that's a nice booty. How you guys doing? Just wanted to show you here, snowy Chicago, and they are literally lined up waiting to come into Wicked Warnings. What you're looking at, Lin 6 is in the front, split pattern, 4-head Wicked stick in the back window, just like the first 2. My favorite of this week would be this 2021 Dodge Ram TRX. We wanted to give this truck a lot of noticeability, protect the man when he's up in the bucket. There's another cool feature this truck has, and that's compartment lighting. I know, you're like, show me, open the doors. What is it already? All right, here we go. It's a hose reel. No, it's actually more than that. It's an uber cool Oasis compressor. But this is a fairly simple build. It's a bunch of green-white Thin-X. Show you our new shot bass cut. That there's Luna. Alrighty, I'm gonna pull way out just to show you a little bit of the main effect so you can see everything. I'm also gonna kick that ISO way down just for a second to show you the different color alternations. See that bolt behind me? Yeah, we did a bolt. It's a 97 Rinker 182. We did audio and lighting. This particular owner is a volunteer fireman. So if you see these lights out there on the street one day, get out of the way. Run away, puppies, run away. That's right, 5,500. All you 25 and 3,500, just run away, tail between your legs. Came all the way here from Tennessee. Notice that license plate. Yes, that says New Jersey. And this one come all the way here from Canada. We got all kinds of Chevys here. Come on in, Chevy lovers. Bring your truck in. Get it lit.